Today I'm sharing with you my yummy vanilla baked donut recipe, but we're going to take it one step further. We're gonna make them rainbow style. Welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. To start out making these vanilla donuts, we need 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and then we're gonna mix that all together. Then we'll add a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Mix that together. Then we'll add our dry ingredients, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1½ cup of flour. Then we're gonna mix that all together. And there we have it, we have our vanilla donut dough. Make sure and grease your donut pans, grease them really, really well. Grease them really good. You can use shortening and then do a little bit of flour. You can use whatever kind of grease method you guys have, make sure that you use it and make sure it gets really nice and covered. Now we are going to make rainbow donuts because I told you I'm loving rainbow, so we're gonna make them rainbow. So now I'm just gonna split up this dough into 6 different little bowls, and then we'll just add some color to each one. And now you can see I have all the colors right here ready to be put in our donut pan. Now you need 6 piping bags. Then we'll add each color into a different piping bag. Then I'm gonna cut the end off of each piping bag. It doesn't have to be big, just a little cut right at the end. You don't have to add a tip. And now, to get these rainbow donuts made, all we're gonna do is just get a color and start squeezing it out into our donut pans. Just squeeze a little bit of the color in each donut pan, and then get another color and do the same thing until we have all the colors in the donut pans. Now we need to get them baked. I just preheated my oven to 350 and we're gonna bake them for about 10 minutes. Just look at these rainbow donuts. So cute. Yes, it's an extra step to make them rainbow, but they are so fun and so flipping cute. I love them. Look how cute they are when I break them apart, the inside of them. If you guys want, you can dip these in a glaze. This glaze that I'm dipping them in, all it is powdered sugar and a little bit of milk. And you just mix it together until you get a good consistency. Then I just added a little green food coloring and I'm dipping them right in. You don't have to dip these donuts, like I said, because they're really cute on their own, but I did dip them and then I put some sprinkles and a few Lucky Charms, and there you have it. We have some rainbow donuts. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalice Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.